The Stavros Niarchos Foundation, SNF, stands as one of the world's leading philanthropic organizations, widely respected for its commitment to supporting projects and initiatives that promote social change, culture, education, health, and sustainability. Founded in 1996 by the heirs of Stavros Niarchos, a prominent Greek shipping magnate and philanthropist, the foundation embodies the values and vision of its namesake by dedicating substantial resources to initiatives that create lasting impact globally. Origins and founder. Stavros Niarchos, born in 1909 in Greece, was a pioneering figure in the international shipping industry. Over the course of his life, he amassed one of the largest shipping fleets in the world. Beyond business, Niarchos was known for his strong commitment to philanthropy, contributing to cultural, educational, and humanitarian causes. After his passing in 1996, the foundation was established by his descendants to carry forward his legacy of generosity and societal contribution. The foundation operates as an independent private international philanthropic organization, focusing on grants that support non-profit organizations, institutions, and public sector projects worldwide. Its mission is to fund initiatives that improve the quality of life for individuals and communities, with a clear emphasis on innovation, scalability, and measurable outcomes. Areas of focus. The Stavros Niarchos Foundation's grant-making is organized around several core areas, reflecting both broad societal needs and specific strategic priorities. Arts and culture. SNF is deeply committed to supporting the arts, recognizing their essential role in enriching societies and fostering creativity. The foundation funds museums, theaters, orchestras, and cultural preservation projects. One of its most celebrated contributions is the funding of the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center, SNFCC, in Athens, Greece, which houses the National Library of Greece and the Greek National Opera. This iconic project, completed in 2016, is a hallmark of modern cultural infrastructure and a symbol of the foundation's dedication to making culture accessible to all. Education. Education is a cornerstone of SNF's philanthropic efforts. The foundation supports scholarships, educational institutions, early childhood education programs, and initiatives aimed at increasing access to quality education for underserved populations. It collaborates with universities, research centers, and educational nonprofits, emphasizing innovative educational models that can be scaled for wider impact. Health and medicine. SNF invests in health initiatives that improve access to medical services, advance medical research, and support public health infrastructure. Grants have been awarded for hospitals, disease prevention programs, mental health services, and emergency response systems. The foundation also prioritizes projects that address healthcare inequities globally. Social welfare and human services. The foundation is active in supporting social services that empower vulnerable populations, including refugees, low-income families, and marginalized communities. It funds programs tackling poverty, homelessness, food insecurity, and social inclusion. This area often intersects with health and education grants to provide holistic support. Environment and sustainability. Recognizing the urgency of environmental challenges, SNF has increased its commitment to sustainability. This includes funding for renewable energy projects, environmental education, conservation efforts, and climate change mitigation initiatives. The foundation aims to promote long-term environmental stewardship alongside immediate social benefits, global impact and partnerships. Though rooted in Greece, the Stavros Niarchos Foundation operates on a truly global scale. Its grant-making extends across Europe, North America, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. The foundation partners with governments, non-profit organizations, academic institutions, and community groups to ensure its grants reach diverse populations and create systemic change. The foundation's approach is distinguished by rigorous due diligence and strategic grant-making. Rather than dispersing funds widely, SNF carefully selects projects that align with its mission and values and demonstrates potential for measurable and sustainable impact. This focused strategy has allowed the foundation to leverage its resources effectively and build long-term partnerships. Notable projects and contributions. Beyond the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center, SNF has supported a broad range of notable projects. Educational programs. Significant investments have been made in scholarship programs in the United States, Greece, and beyond, enabling talented students from disadvantaged backgrounds to pursue higher education. Healthcare infrastructure. The foundation contributed to the modernization of healthcare facilities in Greece, especially during the country's economic crisis, and has funded initiatives to enhance access to medical care in underserved regions globally. Disaster relief. SNF has provided emergency aid and long-term recovery support following natural disasters, including earthquakes, floods, and humanitarian crises. Cultural preservation. Grants supporting the restoration and preservation of historic sites and artifacts underscore the foundation's commitment to safeguarding cultural heritage. Governance and funding. The Stavros Niarchos Foundation is governed by a board of directors composed of members of the Niarchos family and distinguished external experts. Its operational structure emphasizes transparency, accountability, and strategic planning. The foundation disburses hundreds of millions of dollars annually in grants, making it one of the largest private philanthropic organizations worldwide. Funding primarily comes from an endowment established by Stavros Niarchos' estate and managed prudently to ensure ongoing financial sustainability. This endowment allows SNF to commit to multi-year grants and large-scale projects, reflecting a long-term vision for philanthropy. Conclusion. The Stavros Niarchos Foundation represents a modern model of philanthropy that balances respect for tradition with innovation and impact. Its comprehensive focus on culture, education, health, social welfare, and the environment highlights a holistic understanding of the factors that contribute to a flourishing society. By investing strategically in high-impact projects and fostering partnerships worldwide, the foundation continues to honor the legacy of Stavros Niarchos, embodying a commitment to building a better world for current and future generations.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.